Crumble cookies of the week. 8 flavors again. Pink velvet cake. Perfect for 5 a.m. 2 fluffy cakes with vanilla pink velvet crumbs. 9.12345 ounces. Churro. This always hit harder than my mom. 9.444 lemon cheesecake. Why do people eat the lemon? The lemon was a nice touch. 8.324 mint mellow sandwich. Cookies and cream cookies. Mint mousse. 7 out of confetti. Sugar cookies with sprinkles. 8.5 out of 10. Oatmeal skillet cookie. Oatmeal cookie with vanilla mousse and caramel. 7.945 out of peanut butter. Definitely the best one out of the week.